Hello everybody! Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to find LinkedIn companies URL from a Derrick app. So first you need to download Derrick app. If you don't know Derrick app, it's an extension of Google Sheets that help you to create databases from Sales Navigator. So you download, can click here, and you need a list of company names. That's it. And of course, you need the extension. So first you go here, you open the recap, open sidebar, and you have this. We won't need leads today. We will use only the companies feature. So you go here and search LinkedIn companies. Here you will find your column titles. If you have many titles here, they will appear here. So you click company name, you go search, and let's see what happens. The robot creates 5 columns: company name, company URL, the activity, and whatever. So let's see what happens. Okay, great. So we have our list, and that's it. As you see, it's really easy and really simple. So you can do it by yourself. And if you have questions, you can comment this video. You can put a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye!